Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install your WhatConverts tracking code using Google Tag Manager. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and log into your WhatConverts dashboard. If you're an agency, go ahead and select the account and the profile that you'd like to set up. Under the Profile menu, select Settings and Tracking Code. Copy the standard HTML code and go over to Google Tag Manager. Log into the container that you would like to put your tracking code in. This is going to be the container that's already installed on your website. If you have not created one yet, you can do so, and Google will walk you through how to install that empty container onto your page. Once you've gotten to your workspace, go ahead and click on Tags on the left-hand side. Click New to add a new tag. You can name your tag. I'm going to name this one WhatConverts. And then click on Tag Configuration. Scroll down towards the bottom, or scroll down just a little bit, and then select Custom HTML. Paste your WhatConverts tracking code in the first line of the HTML script, and then click on Triggering. Make sure to select All Pages, and click Save. Once yours is saved, it should look like this. It's going to be a custom HTML firing on all pages, and then click Submit. Give your version a descriptive name if you wish. And then click Publish. Now that you have a successful publishing of your container, you can go to your test site. Here I have a test site where I've put my quote-unquote main business number here, and when I refresh the page, if my tracking code is loaded on the page, this will swap out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control-Shift-R on my keyboard to refresh this page. And now you'll see that the number did swap. And that's all you have to do to set up Google Tag Manager, or set up your WhatConverts tracking code using Google Tag Manager. Let us know if you have any questions.